In the new year, Pette Pro has been upgraded with a new interface and features. From this to this, take a look together and see what's different. When you click the trigger button on the back side of the device starts with beeps to finish powering up and goes directly to the pipetting interface. Compared to the previous version of Pette Pro, speed and power indicator has been added. The operating logic has also been optimized in the latest version. Click on the upper part of the screen to access the parameter adjustment screen. Clicking on the mode menu at the bottom of the screen takes you to the main menu functions. In pipetting or dispensing mode, long pressing on the center of the screen allows you to quickly edit volume parameters. Let's take a look at the specific operation. In order to meet the needs of different experimental scenarios, in the main menu function interface, you can easily select pipetting, continuous dispensing, elution, manual mode for pipetting operations, as well as wireless connection, system settings. Come to the parameter adjustment interface, you can complete the specific editing of pipetting and mixing. Tap the volume button and slide the controller to edit the volume parameters in a wide range, and each point digit can be adjusted individually. Tap Save above or the standalone trigger button to save and return to the previous level. Both suction and discharge speeds can be adjusted by sliding the controller. Turning on the auto blowout setting will cause the unit to automatically blow out after pipetting. Turning off the purge setting gives the option of performing a manual purge. Entering pipetting operation, press the trigger button to perform aspiration. Press the trigger button again to discharge the liquid. Press and hold the button to mix until the liquid is completely mixed. Double-click the button to blow the liquid. And finally single-click the exit button to exit the pipette tip. Back to the system settings in the main menu. We can adjust the screen brightness. After sliding the brightness bar along the outer diameter of the aperture, the brightness of the screen will change accordingly. Here, we can also set the wireless connection switch, 3-point calibration settings, language switch, 4-digit password settings, log view and local information view. Tap the power off button to turn off the device or leave it for 15 minutes. The device can also be turned off automatically.
VECVERSE.